Hi everybody. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to open an account in Podomatic and publish some files there. Well, Podomatic, as you can see here, is a community of podcasters. The thing is very easy. You just have to go to here, just type www.podomatic.com, and then you have to go here, sign up for Podomatic, or you can use this other option, sign up here. Okay, then let's try. I'm going to use and you have two possibilities. If you want to pay, you can go pro and you have many other utilities, or you can go to the basic one. Let's choose this one, and you have to use your full name. Just have to type, and then your email. Be careful because, for example, in this email address, this one, it has a dot here. Then I will be assigned a number, which is not nice. It's better if you have just one name, like Enrique, or I don't know, without dots or anything like that. It will give you your page will have that name. Well, then you just have to type a password. Let's choose the same. I'm not going to tell you which is it. That's it. And then you select your birthday, which mine is in March 21st, and the year, you'll know my age. That's not 71. Here it is. And of course, to prove you are not a bot, you have to go the here's time. You have to read the terms and services. I've already done that. You have to agree on them and join Podomatic. And let's see what happens. That's it. Then you choose a photo. I'll have mine on my desk. Where's this? Is it? You open it up, upload it here, and while it's going there, it's uploading in this moment. Then you have here home. It changed. Let's wait. Home, and that's me. I don't see my photograph. Then this would be your wall, let's call it like that. In fact, is your public profile. You can do whatever. I mean, as you do in any other social networks. What are you doing? I'm showing how to use Podomatic. Podomatic. And you post, and then it's here. How to use Podomatic. Of course, you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, and this would be your homepage. Then, what you have to do now, if you want to, is edit your profile. It goes here. Okay, then you feel I'm not going to do this because it takes a while. I want to show you something different in a second. Your name, Mexico. You have Mexico here. I'm not going to do everything because it will take ages. Your location, your hometown, your etc etc etc. This is your photo. Now, well, you have to save it. If you don't save it, then you have your photo, your photograph, your audio player. This is important. You can check this. Start playing automatically when someone visits my profile page. You can select a nice piece of music or a welcome message. You can fill your personal details, your free description, your relationship status, etc etc, activities, and it's not very difficult in this moment. You can go to your public profile. It's there, and this is my number now. Let me write it down. 41344. Then what the good thing is here, when you you have to go to edit profile. In edit profile, here, podcast, in this part here, podcast is where your podcast is going to be. Then click, and you have your basic information, you have your URL, and you can have a tagline, give it a listen, or suggest topics, or whatever you want to do. Try to do something that attracts people. You can write your description here. You choose from a category. Generally, I choose education, language courses, of course, and you can use tags separated by commas, by spaces, like education, sele, alad, I don't know, whatever you want. You select your language, of course, do it in English, and save. It's not very difficult. What is good here? Well, here also, allow people, not necessarily they have to be logged in my opinion. The design is the good part. You can try the new customizer, and then you have, meanwhile, let me go there. It's moving there. Okay. This is the customizer. You can choose from any of these things. See? Let's choose a typical, let's take this one, and you see here the result, or you can change it here, or for someone who is more, I don't know, this one. You see the changes here, and in this part now let's select this now, and you see how it changed in this part here. Okay, let's save it like that, and this would be your podcast page. Let me show you. You have here, view my podcast page. This is the one I'm talking about. Then you have two different things: your public profile, which is this. I don't have anything here because it's new, and your podomatic podcast page. And check here is the number, that horrible number I was given, 41344. I'll never learn it. And well, I'm gonna close this because I'm going to go log out. I'm going to show you my other podcast page. This is it, and immediately you go to your public profile. Then if you see, you have here your this one here. I'm going to stop it. I'll show you in a second. You have here your podcast, the people you're following, your friends, and here is all your profile, my community, everything you filled in. It's here. It's 9 minutes and it's taking a lot. And then here is your activity. It will be kind of your wall in other social pages. I have 2 photographs here, and well, I've been doing this. This is my other podomatic account. Here, let me go to edit public profile, and you'll see my public profile. No, I didn't want to do that. You will see my podcast here and view my podcast page. And this is my style. I have here what I have recorded up to this moment. It's only one. I'll show you how to upload. It's very easy. You just have to go to Publish, Podcast, Create. It's loading, of course. We have to wait. We have to be patient. It's going, and then this is it. It will be my second episode. Let's go like 1 2 3 4 1 2. Sorry for the typos. Then you save and continue, and you continue to your audio or video. You select a photo. You can write tags, review, and publish, and that's it. I'm not going to do this because it's going to take a while. It's not very easy to do, but and if you drafted, sorry, it's not very easy to use, but you will enjoy it the moment you start going through it. Let's see. Let's try upload a file. Let's see if I have anything here. No, I don't know. Okay, then when you finish, you will have in your public profile something like this. I want to tell you what the public profile that happened there. Podcast, and here basic information, comments, design, iTunes. This one, display title and tagline. Okay, and well, that would be all for this moment, and I hope you find it useful. You're gonna love it, really, really, really. Okay, thank you.